2018 Silverado LT with the E-Assist and the 20-inch wheels. It's got the bed liner package with the bed liner and the bed cover, trailer tow. Nice chrome wheels. I've also got it in white as well, in that same package with the wheels. Same black interior, E-Assist package, 20-inch wheels, bed cover. It is obviously four-wheel drive. This is in the white. And then I've got an iridescent pearl LT, the 18-inch wheels, same black interior. But that's an iridescent pearl, great looking truck. Come and see us at Poage Chevrolet of Wentzville.